7 Sigma Offgrid.
All right, guys, so we made it up. We are here. You guys have seen all the things that we have to do when we are unloading. But one of the things that we're happy about unloading is we got a new cooler. And our cooler is
Bodega
cooler.
Got a new toy. The Bodega folks sent this over to try out the T-50 12 volt cooler that you can plug up to your 12 volt cigarette lighter, and you can plug it up to AC in the house. Temperature adjuster. It's Bluetooth. You can see the app on your phone. You can adjust temperature.
And look inside.
Don't look at our stuff. Don't have to buy any more ice. No more ice buying. Yeah. Spend a lot of money on ice.
Because every time you guys see us, we're going to the gas station to get ice for our coolers and stuff. But we don't have to do that anymore. Mm-hmm. So yay for that.
Thank you, Bodega.
Thank you, Bodega. Which I love because I'm from New York and we always say, we're going to the corner Bodega.
This is the Bodega T-50 Portable Refrigerator. It's not just a cooler, it's a full refrigerator or freezer depending on what we need for that day. The T-50 gives us 53 quarts of space, which has been more than enough for our 2-hour drive. And because it's a single zone, we can set the temperature anywhere from -4 up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So if we need a freezer, it's a freezer. If we need a fridge, it's a fridge. It has a simple touchscreen which also allows us to control everything from our phone through the Bluetooth, which is actually more helpful and useful than we expected. The most important part is that it runs on both AC and 12-volt power for off-grid living. The small details, such as the LED light inside, the USB port, and the removable basket and drain plugs, makes it easier to use from day to day. So, if you guys want to check it out, we'll put the link down in the description box below so that you can take a look at the exact one that we're using.
7 Sigma Offgrid.